Greetings and salutations. If I look like I slept on the floor in a jail cell, it's because I did. Good times. Just, excuse me. Excuse me. I'm just checking in. I wanted to thank you for the group hug and for all the love and the prayers. Keep it up. No live streaming, the laptop's in the car. It's impounded until tomorrow. So I gotta catch up on some rest anyway. And some hydration and bleeding out the nose. There's one thing I can mark off the bucket list when I'm getting arrested in Colorado. If you've been paying attention for any amount of time, you might remember a little process called in the court called a discovery. It's a double-edged sword, a diamond, a canal man. But yeah, it's been a long 24 hours. That's all. It takes forever for these to upload, and I got some more videos from the adventure to upload, maybe. Good times. I need to catch up on my quota of nicotine. And as I said, I need a shower. Oh, Jesus. And I need some rock and roll, I believe. They say, what kind of jailbird, what kind of bird don't fly? By the way, I can't leave the state. So says the judge. Oh yeah, good times. Good times. How about a little good time music? I think it's time for me to crank up some of the more cowbell. Hey, get up there with that crazy love song about the flawless feeling and his love of his life, the whore. Yeah, right there. There's my. Give me a little of my brothers and from other mothers. Hit me with some of that guitar. If ever there was a theme song that, I got so many favorites. I don't know. One of them is especially dear to my heart. If you read the lyrics or listen to the words, you might understand why. But I had to get my ass in the shower and suck down some more liquid. Severely dehydrated. Woo! Yeah, good times. Know that I love you.